Welcome friends in our Panasonic robot training how to use the teach pendant. This is the part 21. Today we discuss view. This section explains screen displays available from the view menu. The view menu is available in both teach and auto modes. Here you can see a table button. This cross button is for close the currently active window and is arrow buttons to previous page and to next page. Those buttons function as per the description unless otherwise specified. Display change. First is position display. It indicates the current position of the robot control point XYZ, angle of each axis and pulse counts. First, XYZ display. XYZ position of the robot control point on the robot coordinate system. UVW tool orientation U angle rotating around the axis parallel to Z axis including the robot control point while retaining the angle of V angle from the vertical surface W twist angle of the wrist while fixing the direction of the tool. Length direct distance from the position where the position reset was applied. Relative icon. When the icon lamp is on, the XYZ UVW display uses the position where the position reset was executed as the origin point, while when the icon lamp is off, the XYZ UVW display uses the absolute position robot coordinate as the origin point. RST reset icon. Click the icon to reset position data. The tool end point is regarded as the origin point. Second, angle display. Angle of each axis RT, UA, FA, RW, BW and TW. Third, pulse display. Encoder pulse of each axis RT, UA, FA, RW, BW and TW. Next is supplementary notes. If the tool center point TCP is not correct due to improper tool offset, tool collision and so on, the distances to be displayed in the window may not be correct. When relative icon is off, the display indicates distances from the origin point of the robot coordinate to the tool center point TCP. When relative icon is on, the displays for the external axis and slave robot are relative display. If the position data are indicated on more than one page, the reset operation resets data on all pages except in a multi-cooperative robot control system if there is a slave robot whose line is not connected at the time of position reset. The coordinate of the slave robot won't be reset. All these icons you can see in this image. Here you can see XYZ, AGL angle, PLS pulse and how to view this data. Click view display change display position. Here XYZ you can also see XYZ tool 01X 935.69 mm, AY is equal to 21.62 mm, Z is equal to 665.00 mm, U minus 180 degree, V 43.47 degree, W minus 180 degree, length 1148.14 mm. Here you can see angle and pulse. RT is equal to 0 minus 0.02 degree, UA 0.51 degree, FA 0.29 degree, RW is equal to 0.98 degree, BW minus 89.19 degree, TW is equal to minus 6.09 degree, pulse RT is equal to 0008, ratio 0000 triple F, UA is equal to 0008, ratio 00005 A7, FA is equal to 0008, ratio 0017 AB, RW 0008, ratio FFE94, BW 0008, ratio 0000 C3E, TW 0008, ratio 0000302. Next is torch angle. It indicates torch angle to the weld line. Here you can see torch angle procedure in this image. Click view display, change display position torch. Here you can see title angle plus 46.53 degree and angle of advanced retreat minus 1.27 degree. Next is user in out. It indicates on off state of each user input output port. You can have two display types, list terminal name and list detail. Note, terminals in on state are indicated in green and terminals in off state are in gray. Jump. Click the icon, then a list of the terminal numbers is displayed to specify a terminal of jump destination. Output control. Click the icon, then a dialog box to edit on off state of output terminals is displayed. Edit the terminals if any. RST. Click the icon to reset the output state. DECHEX. Click the icon to switch the display of in decimal without symbol, decimal with symbol or hexadecimal. You can see terminal names list in this image. Display input terminal, display input output terminal. Just like this, you can see the terminal name. Now next is status input output. It indicates on off state of status input output ports. Note, terminals in on state are indicated in green and terminals in off state are in gray. Click view display, change status in out, status input, status output. Here you can say in status input ext servo on, operate mode, teach mode, error release, start input, hold input, and in status output alarm, error, operate mode, teach mode, ready, servo on, running, holding. Now next is variable. It indicates values stored in global variable. Value stored in each variable is displayed on the right of the colon. You can see these variables in this image. View display, change display variable 0101 byte 123 integer long 0.123 double. When byte is selected, display variables are available like this. Now next is shift on data, sensing data, displays integrated sensing results of all applied sensors such as touch sensor. Shift on data displays the shift amount currently in execution by means of shift on command. Click view display, change shift. Sensing data, sensor data, shift on data, shift on data, shift on data coordinate x is equal to 0.0 mm, y is equal to 0.00 mm, z is equal to 0.00 mm, rx is equal to 0.00 degree, ry is equal to 0.00 degree, rz is equal to 0.00 degree. Reset. Now next is accumulated time. It displays the accumulated time of each of the robot control items. Controller on time, amount of time when the power switch to the controller is in the on state, time from when the switch is turned on till when the switch is turned off. Servo on time, amount of time when the servo power switch is in the on state, time from when the servo is turned on till when the servo is turned off. Program running time, amount of program execution time shown in cycle time, time from when the start of the program till when the file is closed. After completion of the program, arc on time, amount of time the torch switch is in the on state, time from when the torch switch is turned on till when the torch switch is turned off. Now next is load factor. It displays the load factor of each axis at the current robot orientation to the rated value in percentage. Load factor of each axis at the current robot orientation. Average load factor, the average load factor of each axis of the program executed. Peak load factor, the maximum load factor of each axis of the program executed. Collision sensitivity monitor, collision sensitivity and collision torque while operating the robot. For details, please refer to section 10.6 collision sensitivity monitor. Here you can see load factor in this image. We have display change load factor, average load factor, peak load factor, collision sensitivity monitor, load factor, RT 0%, UA 0%, FA 0%, RW 0%, BW 0%, TW 0%. So friends, here we end this part of our Panasonic robot training. Further information we will discuss in our next video. So till then, stay safe and take care, and subscribe this YouTube channel to get such robotic informations.